Hello and good day, welcome to another episode of my video series. In today's video, we are going to discuss an essential skills for anyone involved in cryptocurrency, that's verifying the transaction. Step number 1, check the transaction details. You need to start by examining the transaction details. Look at the sender, the receiver's address, the amount and the transaction ID. Ensure all information matches your own expectation. Step number 2, use blockchain explorers. Blockchain explorers are so powerful tools. Simply copy the transaction ID and paste it into a blockchain explorer specific to that blockchain you are dealing with, be it Ethereum blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, or Polygon, or even Polkadot blockchain. You will be able to see the transaction status, confirmation, and other details. Step number 3, verify confirmation. Pay attention to confirmations. The more confirmation a transaction has, the more secure and irreversible it becomes. It is like waiting for a stamp of approval from the blockchain network. And that's a wrap on how to verify crypto transaction. Remember, verifying transaction is your safeguard against fraudulent or mistaken transaction. Stay tuned for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching.